ABC Speaking Academy.
Today let's have a speaking practice using festivals and celebrations. What is your favorite festival?
I love Christmas.
Why?
Because we get presents.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you too.
Did you stay up late?
Yes, I watch fireworks.
Are you ready for Halloween?
Yes, I'm wearing a ghost costume.
Let's go trick-or-treating.
Yay, I love candy.
What are you doing for Easter?
We are painting eggs.
Can I join?
Of course.
It's Valentine's Day today.
I made cards for my friends.
That's so kind.
I love giving surprises.
What do you do on your birthday?
I eat cake and play games.
I love birthdays.
Me too.
Do you celebrate Lunar New Year?
Yes, we wear red and eat dumplings.
That sounds yummy.
It's a special time for my family.
Did you go to the Christmas party?
Yes, it was so fun.
Did you see Santa?
Yes, I took a photo.
What's your costume for Halloween?
I'm a superhero.
Cool, I'm a princess.
Let's go together.
Do you know what Diwali is?
Yes, it's a festival of lights.
I love the bright colors.
And the sweets too.
It's Thanksgiving today.
I'm thankful for my family.
And I'm thankful for you.
Let's eat turkey.
Are you coming to the school party?
Yes, I'm bringing cookies.
I'll bring juice.
Let's have fun.
What happens on Independence Day?
We see fireworks and sing songs.
I wear red, white, and blue.
Me too.
I got a card for Mother's Day.
That's sweet. I draw a picture.
Moms are the best.
Yes, they are.
Father's Day is coming.
I'm making a card for Dad.
I'll write a poem.
Let's surprise our dads.
Are you excited for school day celebration?
Yes, I'm in the dance.
I'm singing a song.
Let's cheer for each other.
What do you eat at Christmas?
We eat cake and cookies.
Yum! I love hot chocolate.
Me too.
It's Flag Day today.
Let's draw flags and color them.
I'll use red and white.
I'll use blue too.
What do you do at Eid?
We wear new clothes and visit friends.
That sounds fun.
We also eat delicious food.
Are you going to the New Year countdown?
Yes, my family goes every year.
I can't wait for the fireworks.
Let's count together.
It's Teacher's Day.
Let's thank our teacher.
I made her a card.
I brought flowers.
What do you do on Children's Day?
We have games and prizes.
I love the fan booths.
Me too.
What's holy?
It's a festival of colors.
Do you throw color powder?
Yes, and dance too.
What do you wear in Halloween?
A skeleton's costume.
I wear a cat mask.
Let's scare our friends.
Do you light candles for Hanukkah?
Yes, one for each night.
Do you get gifts too?
Yes, and we play games.
What's your birthday wish?
I wish to get a bike.
That's cool.
And lots of balloons.
Do you like Christmas music?
Yes, Jingle Bells is my favorite.
Let's sing it together.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
What do you do on New Year's Eve?
We have a family dinner.
Do you stay up late?
Yes, until midnight.
Are you joining the parade?
Yes, I'm wearing a costume.
I'm waving a flag.
Let's smile and wave.
Do you make resolution for the new year?
Yes, I want to read more books.
Mine is to be kinder.
That's a good on.
Thanks for listening.